In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free and the best VPN for Google Chrome, offering a lifetime of free VPN service. Let's dive in and get started with these straightforward steps. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're on a computer that has Chrome installed. Once you're there, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the browser. Here, type in the URL chrome.google.com/webstore and simply press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, a hub where you can find various extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Now, in the Web Store, you'll notice a search box right at the top center of the page. Type in Setup VPN into this search box. Setup VPN is the extension we're interested in today because it offers a lifetime free VPN service. Once you've entered the term, hit enter again. Your search will yield a list of results. Among the search results, look for a listing titled Setup VPN, Lifetime Free VPN. This should be the extension you identified in the search results. Click on it to proceed to the extension's dedicated page. Once you're on the Setup VPN page, you'll see an option on the right-hand side labeled Add to Chrome. Clicking on this will initiate the download and installation process for this extension. A little pop-up will appear, asking for confirmation of your intent to add Setup VPN to your Chrome browser. This is a standard security measure from Chrome, ensuring that you want to proceed with this installation. Here, simply click on Add Extension. Allow a moment for Chrome to download and install the extension. After installation, you'll notice a new icon appearing in the top right corner of your Chrome toolbar. This icon represents the Setup VPN extension, indicating that it's been successfully added to your browser. The next step involves clicking on this newly added icon. The Setup VPN interface will prompt you to sign up for a free account. Don't worry, this is straightforward. It usually just involves providing an email address and creating a password. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll gain access to a list of servers. From this list, select a server to which you wish to connect. This step establishes your VPN connection. And voila, you now have a free VPN service running directly within your Google Chrome browser. You're all set, equipped with a reliable and easy-to-use VPN that will help safeguard your online privacy. Enjoy browsing with added security and freedom.